Today, we will upgrade the head unit of a Toyota Prado. This is the original head unit. First, we remove the original air conditioning control panel. Then, unscrew the 4 screws inside. You can now remove the original screen. There are many connectors here. Don't worry about them. Just unplug them all. Now, remove the silver panels on both sides. Next, unscrew the 6 screws holding the CD player. Remove the original CD player. This is what it looks like after removal. Now, remove the original air vents and hazard buttons. Install them onto the new head unit. This is the GPS antenna. Run the wire to the pillar for installation. This is the video input cable. This is the 4G antenna. Also, run the wire to the pillar. This is the USB antenna. Route it to the glove box. This is the RCA audio cable. This is the protocol box. Connected properly. Now, connect the original car connectors. Match the connectors by size. Each has a specific fit. If there is no match, leave it unplugged. Connect the red and white plugs from the new head unit's power cable to the RCA audio output. Red and white plugs. Connect them. Connect the communication port. Connect the radio antenna. Connect the black power plug to the head unit. Once everything is connected, reinstall the original head unit and secure it. Reinstall the silver panels on both sides. Now, install the new head unit. This is how it looks after installation. We need to set it up before using it. Enter the factory settings. Go to Protocol Settings. Select the Protocol option. Choose the car model. Select the model year. Click Confirm. Note, the first setup requires a Wi-Fi connection. After setting the protocol, you can use the screen to control the original air conditioning. If your car has an amplifier, you can access and adjust it from here. Let's demonstrate the functions. It supports local and online music. It supports DSP tuning. You can choose your preferred sound profile. Auto search for radio stations. Supports local maps. You can also download online mapping apps. You can make Bluetooth calls. Supports steering wheel button controls. Supports door safety alerts. Supports wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, and Huawei Hikar. You can use the voice assistant here to make calls or play music. Use online maps and other smartphone apps. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.